We've had one Bordeaux, burgundy, or maroon color shoe this year. Do we really need another? What's going on YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this review, go ahead and check out my Instagram at Chris Catalunya with an underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so we can combat against that YouTube algorithm. I greatly appreciate it. Also, this video would not be possible without the efforts from Kicking It ATX. Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, Texas. Whether you're looking for the latest from Nike, Adidas, Saucony, the Hundreds, or you just want to talk up your shoe game in the full-service bar lounge in the back, Kicking It has what you need. Check them out at kickingitATX.com. Earlier this year, June 2021, Atlanta-based sneaker boutique Ma Maniere collaborated with the Jordan brand to release what is said to be Sneaker of the Year 2021. The Ma Maniere Jordan 3s. Now, I've never copped a pair and never really felt inclined to, as 3s, they're not my favorite silhouette. However, the 3s are a coveted pair to many, and it was quickly leaked that a new collaborative effort between the two brands was already in the works. Fast forward to Q4 2021, Ma Maniere has a head start in releasing these Jordan 1s today, November 24th. Now, if you weren't lucky enough to capture the W, you will be able to try again on December 3rd, 2021. And it is at that time sneaker boutiques with Jordan brand neighborhood accounts such as Kicking It ATX should be stocking these. And of course, it wouldn't be an official Nike Jordan drop if they didn't release on our beloved sneakers app. Good luck to you. Making the purchase, this is what we have. We get an elegant presentation. We have a clear sheath with white Ma Maniere A's repeating themselves all over. Now, this protectant, it does pull off, and it protects this sail color box, which looks pretty good. All of the branding done on this box is done in that burgundy color, from the Nike swoosh, the Ma Maniere branding, the wings logo, and then we have the sizing label up top. Under the lid, it displays the 1985 photo shoot of the Chicago skyline and Michael Jordan putting up that infamous Jumpman pose. Ma Maniere branded tissue paper secures the shoe, revealing the premium Jordan 1 sneaker. First impressions, it is an interesting shoe from the upper, the laces, the embellishments. We'll get into the details in a bit. When these release, retail is set at $200 USD. Add your tax and VAT based on where you reside. Looking at resale on StockX, GOAT, SneakerCon app, just slightly before the release, these are hitting numbers between $400 and $600 dependent on the size that you need. Now, I do anticipate that these will go up in value, but don't quote me on that. Do note that these are being released from toddler to adult sizes. Obviously, kid sizes will attain a lower retail price. Getting in depth, the upper is composed really of one type of textile. The quarter panels, the vamp with the perforated holes, the heel counter, the ankle strap, the mudguard with the toe guard, even down to the tongue, which is lightly padded. This is all done in the sail colored cracked leather, and it looks pretty good. I don't really know how to describe it. It almost feels like a suede that has been shellacked, if that makes any sense. It gives off a vintage worn look. Complementing those sail panels are burgundy panels done in this faux snakeskin pattern, which I really enjoy. You'll see hits of shiny spots accompanied with matted areas, and these are done primarily on the swoosh that runs from the lateral to the medial side of the shoe and above and below the ankle strap on the collar. Classy burgundy wax laces with silver auglets are provided as the default, and it pairs well to the theming of the shoe. A matching sail set attached in a baggie is the secondary and our second concerning my personal preference. Also, a burgundy leather hang tag is present, donning the Jordan Wings logo debossed in the front and then the Ma Maniere A embossed in the back. We've touched a bit on the tongue. Crowned at the top is a woven label attaining branding from both Nike Air and Ma Maniere in cursive. Going further, my favorite part of this collaborative effort is actually the lining of the shoe, as it's outfitted with this quilted burgundy textile resembling almost like a satin-like finish. It's quite elegant. And it is lightly padded around the ankle for comfort. Removing the insole, even these seem a bit more enhanced in fabric quality, and with the stitched in woven black label at the heel. The Air Jordan Wings logo is present. Adjacent to that, it reads out Airness by Ma Maniere for Air Jordan, done up in white. And this is all still presented on a thin piece of blue foam that offers little to no support. There's just no getting away from the fact that this is still an Air Jordan 1. The midsole is exemplified by this purposely tattered color to give off some vintage vibes, and this is done in a blown rubber compound. Same with the outsole of the shoe. There is an air unit hidden in the heel that provides impact resistance. Back to the outsole, it's finished off in burgundy in color, and it attains your typical Jordan 1 traction pattern where your circles are at the top, your Nike Air branding in the middle, and then your grid at the heel. If you don't know your size in Jordan 1s, better hit up a mall retailer really quick to get properly sized up. Try on a sitting Jordan 1 mid, then pull the trigger on these. I'd suggest true to size. It's widely known that Jordan 1s aren't the most comfortable shoe, offering little to no support and cushioning. However, you're not wearing these for that purpose. Do feel inclined to change out the insoles, whether prescribed or from the supermarket, to make these feel a lot better. Overall, this collaborative project between Jordan brand and Whitner's Ma Maniere brand, they knocked this one out of the park. It's a good fusion between urban meets classy, and it is themed pretty well, and themed to Ma Maniere's likeness, of course. The snakeskin, the cracked leather, it pairs very well, and it isn't too much on the eye, it's just perfect. The quilted lining on the inside, it reminds me of a luxury wallet or mom's purse. And also, I do love the presentation of the sheath, the box, under the lid, it's all good stuff. I will go ahead and say that I enjoy these a lot more than the 3s and the Air Force 1 lows that was released maybe a year ago, 2 years ago. Now, will I say that this is sneaker of the year? Thus far, we've had a pretty good 2021. I probably won't say that this is sneaker of the year, but this is definitely up there. Alright YouTube land, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about the Ma Maniere Jordan 1s? Is this something that you're planning to cop? Do you agree on that $200 price point? Kinda pricey? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram at @ChrisCatalunya with an underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for kicking it with me. I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers. Sige na.